Hey bugs, it is time to cut our Fruit Loops type soap, and I was a little bit hasty in taking it out, but I wanted to see this. So we had a few spaces that we needed to fill, but that's fine. So this is the top. I'm just going to cut off a little end piece. Okay. And let's get into our bars. Hopefully, obviously it didn't come out to the exact plan of how I wanted things to go. That piece is a little soft. I'll fix that in a couple of days. I'll let it harden up some, and then I'll clean up the sides. But and I didn't have a plan B. I usually do, but I just wanted to see, how this is going to come about. Oh, it's not that bad at all. That's the inside, and that's the melt and pour in the cold process soap. So we'll have to let these cure out for a while, but it looks very pretty on the inside, a rainbow. So I'm excited, and I just can't hide it. So this soap completes our cereal and milk soap series. Oh, look at that, you guys. And all of these soaps will be available the first week in, or I should rather say the last week in January. These right here will be available for pre-order because they won't yet fully be cured, but I have the other ones fully cured, and I want people to be able to buy the set if they want to. And it's 4 soaps. So we have, this one is the last one is Fruit Loops, Cocoa Puffs, which you've already seen that video. You've already seen the video for Fruity Pebbles. Okay. You've already seen the video for Fruity Pebbles. And what is the last one? Cocoa Puffs, Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops. There's another one, you guys. I don't remember which one was my name. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. I don't remember. That's odd. And watch, as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to be like, oh, darn it. And it's going to be too late. But I'll just add it at the end, and when I do the release, you guys will see all 4. So it's not that big of a deal. I'm going to shut up now and just let you guys watch me cut. Captain Crunch Berries. Sorry, I know I said I was going to shut up, but I just remembered. Uh-oh. Now the melt and pour is being a bother. There we go. I knew it was going to come back to me. It's the inside of this one. So that's our 4. It is Captain Oops, All Berries, Cocoa Puffs, Fruit Loops, and Fruity Pebbles. I'm crazy. Oh no, we lost a Fruit Loop. Put that back. Smooth this out, and we'll clean this up later. But there you have it, folks. Let's fix this one really quick. But there you have it. Fruit Loops. Let's get a pretty one. Fruit Loops. Cereal soap. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go eat and take a nap. So, until next time, as always, be well and stay blessed. And bye for now.